Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. I've got one of our 7x16 Colorado off-road trailers back in stock. These are great multi-use units. They're insulated, powers, windows, AC. They also are true off-road trailers. They have about 19 inches worth of ground clearance underneath them, so you guys can get farther, go where you want to go, and be that great all-around use trailer for you. You guys can view all of our inventory at getmytrailer.com, or always send us an email, sales@getmytrailer.com. This one is in our matte black blackout package. It's a thicker aluminum skin. It's a beautiful looking trailer. You do have our standard Moab package setup, which is all the stuff we're going to look at here. You do have a front generator box and platform, side swivel jack, removable front coupler. You also have a 30 amp plug right there, as these are generator ready. Do not come with generators, but they are generator ready. You can easily plug in right there. Here is a good shot of this side of the trailer. And again, we've got 7-foot interior height in these as well, so they are tall enough for most UTVs and side-by-sides out there. Side door has been moved back a little bit on this one. You do have the RV lock and cam bar, couple of party lights off the side, so you've got exterior lighting, two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, a 32-inch Mudterrain tire, and a black American racing wheel. So not only do you get the ground clearance, the torsion axles, but you also have the nice rubber underneath you as well to take you where you want to go. There is a step off that side door so you can get in and out easier. And then again, roof rack and ladder, good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. Come around here, rear ramp door, of course. You also have the rear deck option on this unit and some load lights off of the back, so you guys will have light on the exterior of the trailer so you can see what you're doing at night. It is insulated. We'll take a peek at that right now. Insulated walls and ceiling. Then you've got an aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This one's got our stainless. It's super cool inside. This also has a battery box with a battery charger. That is going to run your puck lights on the interior. Get those on for you. It also is going to run your party lights here off the side, your load lights off the back. So you don't have to be plugged into a generator or be plugged into your truck or anything to have light, which is a great bonus. And then you also have your 30 amp box right there, it's your breaker box. 4 D-rings in the floor, there's 2 right there. Spin around here so you guys can see. 2 more in the back. These stainless insides are so cool. You also have the Nudo, Performance Nudo floor with ramp. This is a great durable floor. They're meant to hold up. Couple of windows, slider windows with a screen, overhead roof vent as well, so great ventilation. And then you also have 2 4-foot LED lights and an AC unit in here, which is all going to be ran off your 110. 2 interior outlets there. And we'll walk to the back of the trailer. So you guys can see going forward, you've got 2 more outlets up front there, as well as that exterior GFI outlet. 3,500 pound payload capacity. They weigh 3,500 pounds. And again, great all around multi-use trailers. If you guys don't live near us in Colorado, no worries, just give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. We literally ship trailers every single day and have some great transporters that can do that for us for an additional fee. And you can always reach us again at sales@getmytrailer.com. and shoot us an email there, or go to the website getmytrailer.com. You can also still use Colorado Trailers Inc. We just tried to shorten it to make it easy for everyone, including ourselves. And give us a call. If you can't reach us there, leave us a voicemail and we'll get back to you. 303-688-8485. And be sure to like and subscribe.